to welcome all of you to this auspicious occasion, as I had said before, and also to introduce members of our family who are present here, the Jaramogi family. I would like them, I'm not going to introduce each one of them individually because there are many. Jaramogi has grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and he has, his wives are still alive. Those wives were in the church. If you saw them, then you would know Jaramogi's choice. Jaramogi was a very choosy person. He had very beautiful wives. Yes, and they are still here, Betty and Mama Susan. Can they all stand? The Jaramogi Karumaindo. The Karumaindo of Jaramogi. Please stand up, led by Mama Betty and Mama Susan there. And Professor King, but she's going to speak. So I don't know whether that is all of them. They are not, that is not all of them. But anyway, those who are not there, Santeni Sana, the members of my family. Now, I just want to also take this opportunity to introduce Mama Margaret Kenyatta and one of the sisters-in-law of hers who was a student with my sisters. They have come here to represent their family. The former president, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, was not able to come. Personally, he has an engagement in DRC Congo, and his brother Muhoho has also sent his greetings to you. He is also away, he is out of the country, and Mamangina. All of them have sent greetings to you. And particularly Mamangina, we have very, very fond memories of her. She was a very good friend of my mom, Mary. She used to call my mom Mary. And when you go back, please pass our best regards to her. Our family has very, very fond memories of Mzee Kenyatta. If you go to Susan's house here in Milimani, you will find a room which was dedicated to Mzee Kenyatta, and that is where he used to sleep. That is where he used to have his security there and himself sleeping there in those very, very good years. And I also want to tell you people who